Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save hundreds and thousands on lenses for your Bolex H-16 Reflex camera by using 35mm lenses and attaching them to your Bolex. So let's get started. Okay, this is a Helios 44M5, a later Russian version of this model, 58mm. And as many of you know, I enjoy the Russian lenses. Has an M42 mount. That's a threaded mount. So what I want to do is I want to take the lens and use this adapter. This adapter is an M42 mount here to C mount here. And of course, I just simply take the two and I screw the mount adapter right on to the back of it, just like that. Get it fairly tight. Good enough. Now, I just apply it to the front turret of my Bolex. Just like that, and I'm done. Now, I'm ready to film. The only thing with this particular Helios is that it has a lot less bokeh and flare than some of the earlier models, but that's just fine because it'll give me the same shot and a little bit of different effect visually. It simply means I can purchase as many of these lenses as I want, customize them if I like, which I generally do, and I'll get a bit of a different effect each time, even if it's uncustomized. So there you have it. M42 adapter to C-mount on a 35mm lens to your Bolex C-mount on the turret right there. The lens is a $20 lens, US. Maybe a little bit more. The adapters, for those of you who would like to support my channel, I do have many different types of adapters. Just contact me at Bolex Repair Philippines, and they're listed on Bolex Repair Philippines page very inexpensively. This entire setup you can probably get out of here once you've got your own lens. These lenses are really cheap. Alright, so the lens, what, 20, maybe $30, something like that. Way under $60 US would you be able to get set up on this type of situation here with the lens and the adapter. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. Until next time, see ya!